Among all the productivity tools out there, making a to-do list is proven to be the most effective one to boost your productivity flow. But do you know 41% of to-do tasks are never completed? So how to make a to-do list that actually works? That's what we are going to discuss in today's video. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to a new video. This is the first video of my new series Planner A to Z, where we will discuss and learn how to become a better planner by knowing all the planner tips and tricks so that we can move forward towards a productive lifestyle. So I'm starting this series with the most important aspect of planning, and I feel it is the most basic, that is making a to-do list. So we all have big goals in our life, and in order to achieve them we need to bring our focus to the task that we do on a daily basis, and that is when a to-do list comes in handy, that keeps us on track and make our day productive and meaningful. But a to-do list can be counterproductive if we do it in the wrong way. So in today's video I am going to share with you 5 effective tips to make your to-do list that will actually work for you, and also I am going to share with you some unique method that you can use to make your to-do list that will be definitely practical and helpful for you. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Choose a medium to make your to-do list. It's a very basic tip, but if not followed, it can be a good reason to abandon your to-do list. So I will highly recommend choose a medium where you want to jot down your to-do list. It can be your planner or a notepad or a sticky note that you want to keep in front of your work desk, or even a mobile application to keep it handy and portable. Whatever works for you, choose a single tool to organize all of your to-do list so that it is not scattered everywhere and you find it way too difficult to access and remember whenever you actually need your to-do list. For me, a paper planner works the best, and I keep all of my daily to-dos here at one place. Just an additional step that I follow, I like to take a picture of my to-dos whenever I am stepping out of my home so that I can refer to it whenever I want to and I don't have to carry my planner everywhere. Also, I have this application called Color Note where I write down any random task that I remember on go, and then I jot down and organize them in my planner so that it stays at one place and I don't forget anything. So definitely choose a single medium where you want to write down your to-dos. Tip number 2. Always make a master to-do list. So you tend to make your monthly to-dos that you break down into your weekly to-dos and finally arrange them into your daily to-dos. That's the perfect way to go about your to-dos, but apart from that you definitely need to have a master list. Let me explain. Your master list is essentially your brain dumping space where you capture all of your tasks in one place, regardless of the day you want to complete, time it will take, or how relevant that task is. Write down your task as soon as you think of them in this master list. It's your unfiltered to-do list where you make a list of all the tasks you have in your head without any judgment or end results. That will help you eliminate brain clutter and that overwhelming feeling of multitasking. Keep this master list separated, and then after analyzing, arrange them into your monthly to-dos, weekly to-dos and your daily to-dos. This way you will have an organized and clutter-free approach towards all of your tasks that are pending, and it will guide you to complete your task without any stress and procrastination. Tip number 3 is to follow the less is more rule. By this I mean that do not add too many tasks in your daily to-do list that you cannot commit to. If you make a list of to-dos without any priority basis, or you just dump too many stuff in your daily to-dos than what is practically doable for you in a day, it will create more stress and it will be more intimidating for you. Or maybe sometimes you will start feeling guilty for not completing your to-do list that basically you have overloaded. So today I am sharing with you 2 methods of making an effective to-do list that will eliminate this problem. You can choose either of them that will work for you. So the first method is follow the top 3 method. Here you have to write down your top 3 priorities for the day that need to be completed on an urgent basis, and that will bring you joy after completion. And then you can write down the other tasks that are important but less urgent, and if you get time after completing your top 3 3 tasks, you may consider focusing on these tasks. That way, even if you end up completing only your top 3 main tasks, you will feel a sense of satisfaction. And the second method is follow the 1-3-5 method. Here basically you have to write down one main task for the day that will take majority of your time. Then you have to write down 3 important tasks which are intermediate tasks, and it will take around like half to 1 hour for the day. And then you can write down 5 mini tasks that will take only 5 to 10 minutes of your day. So this way you can follow the 1-3-5 method to organize your to-dos. So these are the 2 methods that you can follow. You can either choose the top 3 one or the 1-3-5 rule, and both the method are proven to be effective if you use the right way. Tip number 4, keep your to-dos aligned to your goals. Why we are making this to-do list? What's the need to be self-disciplined and productive? Why you are studying so hard? Why you are working on a certain project? Why you are setting deadlines? The answer to all of these questions lies in just one single line, which is I have certain XYZ goals to achieve. So this goal can be anything for you. It can be long-term or short-term goals, but in order to achieve those goals, you have to align them. You have to take some actionable steps in your daily life. So for that, your goals must align with your daily to-do list. So if your goal is to read a book every month, your daily to-do list or your task must include read 10 pages daily. So always reflect back on your goals and try to inculcate it in your daily life, in your daily habits, in your daily routines as your to-do list. Tip number 5, be specific about your task in your to-do list. When you are making your to-do list, be very specific about your task. If necessary, break it down into your mini tasks. So for example, instead of me writing complete one YouTube video today, I will break it down further into all the steps that goes behind creating and publishing a YouTube video that I need to focus on. So whatever be your task, be very specific about your task and break it down into mini achievable goals so that it makes you feel good whenever you check off those particular tasks. So that's all about the 5 effective tips to make a good to-do list that will actually work for you. This was the first video of my Planner A to Z series, and I wanted to address this topic at the very beginning because whatever be the case, a to-do list is a must-have in your planning system. So if you like today's video, if you find it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. This will mean so much to me and my channel. Share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel and join this awesome YouTube community, and also press the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I come up with a new video. And if you want to connect with me directly, then please go ahead and follow me on my Instagram handle. You can DM me there and talk to me. And if you are still watching this video, please let me know by commenting that you are a part of the Planner A to Z series. I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.